And hello, boys and girls. And there's Lily in the well, if you can see that. Okay, she needs your support. She can even afford chapstick. Please see her about page for sending stuff like money, food, books, backpacking gear, bushcrafting gear. Okay, somebody get her a hatchet. All right, let me hang up Lily. Okay, somebody should send Lily a hatchet. I'm not. That's my favorite. Okay, today's project is Altoid Spice Kit project for Lily in the Wild. I did this 12 months ago, and still you guys don't understand what's going on. For you bushcrafters out there, I seen a couple of them copied the Townsend's spice kit. It's a really nice spice kit, but you can do better. Okay, now basically every bushcrafter I know got these weird gimmicks and gizmos and stuff like that. Uncle Allen likes to do things simple. And for a little while, for $1, you can get her a salt and pepper kit. Only costs $1, and you can see that salt and pepper picnic shakers from my area. Okay, that's easy. Okay, since you got your salt and you got your pepper, and this one's iodized. Can't see if you can see it. Yep, iodized salt, so you don't get goiter. Next thing you do, if you're Lily in the Wild, you get an empty Altoids tin. See, empty Altoids tin. All right. Now you can do a lot of different ways to make it a spice kit. You could use a drinking straw and fill it up with spices and herbs and seal both ends. Seal the ends with a pair of pliers and a lighter. Easy as pie. And you can fill it up, a bunch of these, inside the Altoids kit, just cut into size. All right. Another thing you could do with an empty Altoids kit is get dime bags. Now, a lot of people know, oh, wow, that's a dime bag. Yeah, and you can get it at the arts and crafts store. They use it for other things, like beadwork or making flies or a whole bunch, but you get this at the arts and crafts store. This one's free. This one for a pack of 100 costs you about $4. And what it does, you can put it inside, wow, inside the Altoids tin, filled with your personal favorite spice. Here's the other bag. Again, your personal favorite spice, and you put it in here. Since you already got salt and pepper, choose about 4 different spices or 5, how much you could put in each bag, and each bag will fit in here. Easy as pie, see? Can't go wrong, can't be idiot. And like I said, easy as pie. Next thing, okay, keeping these videos short, you could buy these tiny glass vials, again, from the arts and crafts store. This costs me about $1.59 for a package of 4. And what you do, get another one, is you fill it up with your favorite spices. These are screw tops, see? Also, I like the ones with the little corks in them. Little corks. So you get a little kit like this. Wow! The little kit of vials that you could pack certain spices. See? Fits in the pocket. I usually put a couple of bay leaves on top inside. Lay on top right here. Bay leaf. Oops. Like this, because once you're out in the woods, you want the bay leaf to lay on top. about 2. So when you're out in the woods trying to season food, trust me, if you eat wild food, you want seasoning. A lot of you people haven't got the taste of eating squirrel. Okay, so what I recommend, read my notes, bring it up here, is Mrs. Dash, cayenne pepper, thigh. I think it's thigh, Thyne, and cinnamon. So what do you think, Mr. Dinosaur or Dino? Yeah, Uncle Alan's right. You should have a little tiny spice kit to spice things up. Spice things up. Thank you, Dino. Now, I'm going to try to keep this under 10 minutes, I hope. Hubble's cat. Yay. Let's spice up the food. Bethany. This is a real simple project. Even you could do it. My favorite gamer. Liberty Garden. Again, simple project. Harshman Hills. Again, simple project. Sound of the Strains. Again, simple project. Not rocket science. Dad on YouTube or Steve Foco. You could do it. Your kids could do it. You put spices in little bags and you put it in an empty Altoid stem. How hard is that? And we don't forget, tomorrow is just in time prepping. And he's reading story time, so you can sit back and listen to him. Grizzly Taco. If you like to go camping like I do, you can have a little tiny spice kit all ready to go. Spice things up. Okay. Yeah, who's left? I can't see my own handwriting sometimes. Kentucky Survival. Easy kit, easy to make. If you don't like the little glass vials, again, craft store got these dime bags. Fill up whatever spices you like. I like powdered mustard in these. Works really good. West Wind Survival. That's another trick or project you could do, is making these little spice kits. You know, trust me, when you're out in the woods and you have to eat rabbit, once you douse it with salt and pepper, it gets a little boring. Eat your 40th rabbit and then complain to them. Okay, kids, I'll catch you later. Be sure to check out Reverend Christine. Hey, Christine. She only has 34 supporters. So if you like her stuff, check her out and then subscribe to her. And then our friends, let's see, who the heck, I forgot. Random Lady and 3D Tripper. I hope that helps you out. I did this stuff before. It's old school. Like I said, Uncle Alan did this a lot more than you guys, and that's why I quit the outdoors. After 10 years, I'm sorry, but a lot of you guys just only do like backyard or neighborhood park or local woods. Uncle Alan went so deep, no reception, only contact was ham radio. The supply line is you go on horseback and come back on horseback. So I don't want to hear everybody complain, well, I don't go out that often. No, if you have to really go out deep, you have to get used to it. Okay, kids, I'll catch you later. This is your old pal, Uncle Al, and Dino. Yeah, Dino. So be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, someplace around here, right there, to Diebulfrog79. And catch you later.